Previously, we've uncovered 6 reasons why you may be hitting roadblocks when it comes to organization. Maybe you are wondering, how do I start organizing? I mentioned that there are 11 common hindrances I have discovered that may be preventing you from getting organized. Let's unveil hindrance number 7 today. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover how to get organized and what is preventing it. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. Stay tuned to the very end of the video for more organizing help. On my channel, we have been covering a series on what is preventing you from getting organized, so if you missed parts 1 through 6, I would encourage you to go back and view those videos. Now let's look at part 7 in my series on 11 reasons you fail to get organized. Hindrance number 7, distinct personality. Unwillingness to commit to change for fear of losing your distinctiveness. Perhaps, being messy is your trademark. You identify with being artistic, creative, or unique. You cling to that individuality because it is so much a part of who you are as a person. You may pride yourself on it. At the heart of this, you have an unwillingness to change because you fear it will change the core of who you are. You are unwilling to commit to it because your distinctive personality is important to you. You like being an individual. You dislike going along with the crowd. You love the uncommon. If you relate to this, you may have said or thought the following. Structure and organization is too restrictive. Because structure and organization is too restrictive, I prefer spontaneity to schedules. My creativity flows best in my space. While who you are as a person is unique and distinctive, your space doesn't have to inhibit your personality from shining. Consider that disorder or lack of order can actually be hindering your creativity. In a space that is well ordered, you'll be more likely to locate and utilize everything you own. My suspicion is that you may even have multiple unfinished tasks because you had to stop for lack of supplies. In a better organized space, your productivity and artfulness can truly be appreciated. If you have a creative personality, chances are, you also have a very active brain that produces lots of great ideas you'd like to accomplish. Better organizing your space will ensure that you bring all of those great ideas to fruition. Your homework. If this is your hindrance to getting organized, your homework is to address one area in your home that has an unfinished project or 2 lingering. How can you better organize that space to complete your projects? Set yourself a goal to get this project completed by a specific date. Then, do what is necessary to complete it. Savor the satisfaction of a job well done. If you have a distinct and creative personality and you find organizing a struggle, how can you get organized? Start by identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Then, create a personalized organization system that aligns with your unique personality. Break tasks into smaller and more manageable steps. You can use tools like planners or digital apps to help you stay on track. Experiment with different methods until you find one that works best for you. You can embrace your creativity as you attempt to get more organized by using specific methods. You may like tools like mind maps, color-coded systems, or creative to-do lists. Set realistic goals for yourself and don't expect to get completely organized overnight. Embarking on a journey towards a tidier lifestyle can be overwhelming if you try to tackle everything at once. Instead, start small. Begin with one room or even a specific area within a room. Focus on decluttering and organizing that space before moving on to the next. I always recommend starting with an area that is causing you the most stress first. One of the main culprits of messiness is accumulated clutter. Take the time to declutter your living spaces regularly. If you are a creative type, you may have multiple projects with multiple parts cluttering up your space. Do you have multiples of the same item because you frequently misplace it? Assess your belongings and ask yourself if each item is necessary or adds value to your life. If not, consider donating, selling, or discarding it. Decluttering will not only create a more organized home or workspace but also make it easier to maintain cleanliness in the long run. Assigning a specific place for each item in your home is crucial for maintaining order. When everything has a designated spot, it becomes easier to find things and put them back where they belong. Are you an artist who needs lots of tools to complete your projects? The solution here is getting your tools of your trade organized. Chances are there are specific organizing containers for the tools you use most frequently. See what other people in your industry are using to stay organized. Invest in storage solutions such as baskets, bins, and shelves to help keep items organized and prevent clutter from accumulating. Find an organization system you can maintain. If you can't maintain it, that particular system is not working for you. So keep looking for an organizing approach that you can keep up on. Developing daily habits can significantly impact your ability to maintain a tidy living space. Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up and put things back in their designated places. You will soon begin to love the new organized you and will want to keep it that way. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that, too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. I plan my declutter schedule for Monday through Friday, so I can spend the weekends relaxing and enjoying my family. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So, don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.